Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Solutions Hub. In today's video, I want to show you how to resolve this issue of you need the official WhatsApp to log in. Most of the people are asking me how to solve this issue, but first of all, I want to tell you that whenever you see something like this, maybe you've been using either GB WhatsApp or all those any type of unofficial WhatsApp. If you're using it, so you may face the risk of this kind of message. You may face this kind of problem, because when WhatsApp detect that you're using fake or you're using unofficial WhatsApp, they may block you. Or if you try to log into official WhatsApp, you may experience such kind of problems. So you need to be careful. That's why I'll always advise you to only use official WhatsApp. You download it from your Google Play Store and install it, then you use it. But using any other type, don't blame whatever you face, because WhatsApp will surely block you. So in today's video, I want to show you how to solve this kind of a problem. So if you're new to my channel, please, I want you to subscribe, hit on that notification button, so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll get notified. And then please share the video so that whoever is having such kind of problems will benefit from it. So thank you. So first of all, if you have this kind of problem, I'll advise you to, maybe if you're using GB WhatsApp or any unofficial WhatsApp in your phone, you have to uninstall it. You understand? Okay. After that, and you come to the real WhatsApp, the one you want to log in, you hold it like this. When you hold it like this, it will show you long process, and then you go to app information, you click on it. You understand? So then you see, as you can see, storage and cache. Then you come and clear cache and clear storage. You have to clear it, both of it. For as for me, my own is clear. I don't have any issue with it, so I don't have to clean anything. But if yours is having such kind of problem, you clear these issues, clear storage, clear caches. Then after that, you go back, then come to not permission. You have to make sure you allow everything here. Allow it. When you do this, then try to go back and then log in again to your WhatsApp account. It may resolve this issue. But if the issue is still there, then you need to contact WhatsApp. Just go to your Chrome browser and type www.whatsapp. Oh, you just click on WhatsApp contact, or contact WhatsApp, and click on it. Click on contact WhatsApp. So this is it. Here you need to select your country code. Select your country. As for me, I will use Nigeria, since I'm in Nigeria now. I will use Nigeria. Okay. Alright, this is Nigeria. I choose Nigeria. Then I'll choose my number. You insert your email address, for example. insert another email address. Insert your email correctly. You choose the type of phone you're using, choose Android, then you enter your message. So as for me, you just have to, for example, write hello, good day, example. Then you write, I tried to log in to my WhatsApp account, but it shows me. Then you write the message you've gotten. It shows me you need to install official WhatsApp. Please show me the procedure to resolve this problem. Thanks. For example, then you now send it. I don't want to send because I don't have any issue with my WhatsApp, so you just have to just send it to them. This thing is showing that the email address you entered do not match, so you make sure that you write same email address and then let it match, you understand? So, and it will go. You just send next step and you just send it. So you wait for the response from WhatsApp for like 2 hours up to 24 hours. You may get a reply on how to resolve this problem. So if you enjoy my video, please click on like, click on notification bell, so whenever I posted a video like this, you will get notified. Thank you for being with me, and then do have a nice day ahead. Thank you.